In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a custom emoji in Slack. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. All right, let's dive right into it. Custom emojis can bring some fun and personality to your Slack workspace, but there may come a time when you want to remove one. Whether it's outdated or just wasn't received as well as you thought, deleting it is a straightforward process. First, you need to open your workspace menu. To do this, look toward the top left corner of your Slack interface. There, you'll see your workspace name. Click on it to bring up a drop-down menu. Next, we'll navigate to your workspace settings. Once you've clicked on the workspace name, you'll want to hover over the option that says Tools and Settings. This section opens up additional choices. From this secondary menu, select Customize your workspace name. When you click on that, a new page will open up in your web browser. Now, let's find the custom emojis. When the new page loads, make sure you're on the Emoji tab. This is where all the custom emojis uploaded to your workspace are displayed. Take a moment to scroll down the list. You'll see all those unique emojis that add some flair to your conversations. Once you've found the emoji you want to delete, it's time for the next step. Look for the emoji you've decided needs to go. Right next to it, you should see a little X icon. Depending on your permissions, you may also see a three dots menu. Click on the X icon or the three dots menu, and you will see an option that says Delete Emoji. Click that to confirm your choice. Before we move on, I want to highlight an important note about permissions. If you're a regular team member, you can delete the custom emojis that you uploaded yourself without any issues. However, if you want to delete emojis uploaded by other team members, you may need to have administrative access, specifically as a workspace owner or administrator. So if you run into any trouble, it's worth checking your permissions with your team. Once you've confirmed the deletion, your chosen custom emoji will be gone for good. Just like that, you've successfully cleaned up your emoji list, making way for new and exciting options that reflect your team's personality. And that's all there is to it. Deleting custom emojis in Slack is a simple process that can help keep your workspace organized and relevant. If you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy-to-follow guides. Thank you for watching, and happy Slacking!